As far as windows being replaced, some of the signs we might notice, some might not. One of the things that we constantly get calls about are people that go up to their window, and when they start to open it, they have kind of a real hard time, and then it's followed by lots of loud sounds. That could be, one sign that your windows might need to be replaced. Or when you go to close the window, and that window is just really hard to shut, or maybe it's not, maybe it just slams down. That could be another sign. So operation would be one sign that you might need to replace your windows. Another thing too might be just as you get close to your window, you feel a whole lot of heat or a whole lot of cold, depending on what time of year it is. That could be another big sign. We get a lot of calls about folks that look at their window and they really can't see through the glass anymore. Like no matter how hard they try to clean on the outside or on the inside, there's actually something going on between the pieces of glass. And that's something called seal failure. So we can go in more depth about why that happens and how to get windows that don't do that. And then of course, not many people do this, but actually go outside and look at the window itself. Sometimes you can see pieces of plastic that are chipped off, glazing strips, caulking that's kind of peeled away or cracked. So there's lots of actual signs that window replacement is needed.